All right. So in the market this week, we have, first of all, we gotta say that we're doing a little bit of a switch up here in terms of some cross training. So we have Kelly running our back TV this morning, just threw her under the bus. And we have Jen actually running the software this morning.
Yes.
So we're doing some cross training. So any glitches and stuff, then we should be good. But everyone gets to experience how everyone else's job runs. So it's kind of a fun little exercise.
Yes,
but
very cool.
Anyways, in the market this week, we're actually seeing things that have been quite flat for the last 3 weeks. Price of oil, even the absorption rates as we're seeing, although they are improving, we're seeing it being quite steady as it goes along. So in terms of the price of oil right now, a slight dip down to 48.62, and the Canadian dollar again very flat at 77.10 versus 76.76 last week. Also on this number this morning, I was driving to work. The gains have already been made back in terms of oil, back up to about, I think it was 49.63 this morning. So we'll see how it shakes out at the end of the day, but we're not seeing any big changes. OPEC did announce that they're not going to do any production changes at their June meeting, and the market didn't really react. I think they were expecting it, so I think we've sort of settled into a nice stable number, not as high as we'd like, but it is there.
Nice. Listings, we are down a little bit in Calgary. Hopefully that means we've just had a ton sell before people have had a chance to get a bit more up. But we are at 6,344, so down about 150 from last week at 6,502. In Red Deer, we are up 15 listings, and we are at 635 versus 650 last week.
Some good news as far as absorption rates go. In Calgary, the total right now is 3.19 months of inventory. Single-family homes. Now, we go for a balanced market between 2.5 to 4 months of inventory. So have a look at single-family homes here, which have actually dipped into a seller's market. It's actually a seller's market right now for single-family detached homes, which is super interesting.
Totally.
Condos still in buyer's market territory.
That's still a good number for condos.
Well, it's improving a lot, and this is something that we're starting to see. But condos are definitely the thing that's bringing up the total. But overall, for detached homes, the market is busy. So condos, 4.81 months of inventory.
Things are looking really good in our surrounding areas as well. Okotoks is 3.4, Airdrie 3.28, Cochrane 5.4. Sundre is the only one that's up a little bit at 11.43. Strathmore 5.36. So gosh, obviously some big dips there from the start of the year. And Red Deer, great balanced market there at 3.43 months of inventory. And our benchmark price right now is $439,700, down from $441,000. And that's only 0.09%, so it's basically flat.
Yeah, in terms of Red Deer, just a quick shout out to the Red Deer crew, because they track their market. They say balanced market is 2.5 to 3.5 months of inventory versus 4 months, where we say. And they've now slid overall into balanced market territory. So it's good news all around. A lot of the economists were saying that we should see a complete economy recovery beginning in the fall. People are starting to narrow down their time, or the recovery is getting closer and closer. It used to be, it's at the end of 2016 or at the start of 2017, and now things are getting closer. So good things moving forward.